Voila, here it is, my beautiful, wonderful plumeria tree. Finally, check it out. It's got leaves. My goodness gracious. It took till like end of July. Finally, she's coming alive. I just want to show you this one. I've had this one for many years, and just a beautiful plumeria, kind of like a red, like a pink color. And then so anyway, she's finally coming out. And then I have my other plumerias right here. These are yellow ones, and they're 2 years old, finally coming out again. And then my beautiful Costco pineapple. Check it out. It's a Costco pineapple. Cut that sucking head off, stuck it in some good soil, and this thing is just taking off. Look at that pineapple, you guys. Costco, get a pineapple, man. They're a big succulent and they taste freaking mighty delicious. I'll keep you posted, but looks like next year is when I'll get a pineapple. I don't see one this year, so hope you guys will like the plumerias and my pineapple. Take it easy.